Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix charging on hold. Charging will resume when iPhone returns to normal temperature iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn off optimize battery charging. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, tap battery health. Turn off optimize battery charging. Again turn off. Solution number 2. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your passcode. Thanks for watching this video.